In the end 同 at the end 到底有啲咩分別？好多時候同學 send 俾我嘅作文功課都會用 at the end 去做作結，但係咁樣啱唔啱呢？今日最主要想同大家講下 in the end 同 at the end 最大嘅分別。通常 at the end 都會跟 of 一齊用，意思即係講緊一個具體嘅空間或者時間嘅盡頭、最後。I sit at the end of the classroom。我坐喺班房嘅最後、最盡頭。I will go to Japan at the end of this month。我今個月月尾就會去日本旅行。而 in the end 就係講緊一個故事或者經歷嘅結果。I planned to go to the beach, but it rained. In the end, I stayed at home. I worked very hard for the exam. In the end, I got full marks. In the end 亦都係同 at last 或者 finally 同一個意思嘅。咁所以記住，下次作文嘅時候，我哋應該用 in the end 而唔係 at the end 啊！快啲 share 俾你身邊嘅朋友仔，話佢哋知 in the end 同 at the end 嘅分別啦！